Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So just checking to see how far gold can go. I'm on a trade. I'm on a sell trade on another account, but well, in this video I'm just going to talk about XM bonuses, how they work. I think I saw a question on one of the videos on the channel. Somebody is asking, how does the XM bonus work? So in this video I'm just going to explain how it works. Like other brokers, XM offers a variety of bonuses designed to enhance your trading experience on the platform. So what it means is, if you don't have money to trade, if you don't have trading capital to trade, or if you just want to give the platform a try and you don't want to put your own money, you can actually take advantage of these bonuses and see where it gets you. So for example, one of their bonuses is the $30 no deposit bonus. What it means is you don't need to deposit any money. The first thing, very crucial, that you need to do is to sign up. Of course, you need to sign up with them. So the link is in the description box below, or you can scan the QR code on the screen right now. Then you sign up and you verify your account. Very important. You have to sign up and verify your account. So see the link in the description box below or scan the QR code on the screen. After signing up and verifying your account, you don't need to do anything. Just need to open a real trading account and claim that $30 then you can start trading. What you just need to know is that you cannot withdraw that $30 because it's a trading bonus. What you can do is trade with it. Any profits that you make with that trading bonus is yours. The $30 is not withdrawable, but the $100 that you're going to make with that $30 you can withdraw. That's what I'm trying to say. So that's something that you just want to know, but it's very ideal for people who don't want to put their own money onto the platform. They are not sure, so you can just go ahead and claim that no deposit bonus. Importantly, it's for new traders. It's It's available for new clients, people who have not used XM. You can sign up with your details if you're a new client, or you can get a relative's details if you are an old client of XM. Then you can claim the no deposit bonus. Then there is the deposit bonuses. So if you deposit money into your XM trading account and up to $500, you can actually claim about a 50% deposit bonus. So whatever money that you deposit in your trading account up to $500, XM will match that with about 50% as a deposit bonus. Also, you can also gain a 20% deposit bonus if you deposit from $521 up to about $4,500. The maximum bonus amount is $5,000. So deposit funds can only be claimed up to $5,000, and these bonuses can actually be added to your trading account. And while you cannot withdraw the actual deposit bonus, any money that you generate from the bonus is yours. So if you have little capital, on top of the leverage, you can also use the bonuses that I've just talked about to make sure that you actually have a good enough trading account. They also have a loyalty program where you can actually earn points. You earn points by active trading. So you open your account and you're actively trading on that account. You actually earn points which can actually be redeemed for credit bonuses so that you can boost your trading capacity. So when you open that trading account, don't just let it just sit there. Actively trade with that account. Then you generate points. Those points, you can turn them into credit bonuses, which can be added to your account. And that's how you build equity in your trading account. If you don't have enough money to start trading and generate these enormous amounts in profit, then you can also try the referral bonuses, where you can earn up to 150 for referring new clients. So that's another bonus. If your friends and you just refer them to XM, you can actually earn up to $150, up to, not exactly 150 per client. So yeah, these bonuses can actually be used to trade everything that is offered on the platform. There's no limitations that you can only trade this and not this using the deposit bonus. You can trade everything that is offered on the platform: forex, CFDs, commodities, metals, and the sort. Then, to withdraw a deposit bonus, you must trade a specific volume of lots. For example, a 20% bonus may require you that you trade about 10 lots before withdrawal is allowed. Many brokers do this, so just bear that in mind. And so yeah, that's something that you just need to bear in mind. Eligibility for a bonus: your minimum deposit needs to be $5 when you open a real trading account on XM. To be eligible for the deposit bonuses, your minimum deposit is going to be $5, just $5. Bonuses are not available, unfortunately, for XM ultra low accounts. They are not available for XM ultra low accounts, so don't go for that particular trading account. Maybe go for the micro and the usual ones. And to redeem these bonuses, you must be somebody who had verified their trading account. Very important step. You need to verify your trading account. Then just remember, XM still does reserve the right to offer or maybe cancel the bonuses. So very important that when you open your account, you verify your account and make sure that everything is above board. Otherwise, if they find that you lied or something like that, they can cancel the deposit bonus. So I hope this video just helps you. I saw this question and I thought, let me just answer it in a video. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.